Hello friends and welcome to Cooking with Rod's Soup Collection. Every Monday from now until the Sky Garden begins in May, I will be posting a new soup recipe. All the ingredient amounts and instructions on how to make it will be down in the description below. If you make this recipe, please let us know how it went. And here we go. Alright, this Thai coconut chicken soup is creamy, aromatic, and perfectly balanced with coconut milk, lemongrass, lime, and tender chicken. It's comforting yet bright, easy to make at home, and packed with bold Thai flavors. This version is adapted for the home kitchen, using easy-to-find ingredients without sacrificing that signature sweet, sour, salty, and spicy balance that makes this soup unforgettable. Perfect for cozy nights, meal prep, or when you want a restaurant quality soup at home. So here's a quick shot of all of our ingredients. Okay, we're gonna thinly slice our chicken breasts. Now we're going to take our lemongrass and bruise it with the back of a knife. That brings out the flavor. Then we're going to slice that up and get it ready for the soup. And slice up our mushrooms. And finely mince our garlic or smash it. And slice up 1 or 2 Thai chilies. Use that to adjust the heat. We're going to heat our oil in a large stainless steel pot over medium heat. Then we're going to add our lemongrass, the galangal, garlic, and Thai chilies. And saute that for 1 to 2 minutes until highly fragrant but not browned. Then we're going to pour in our chicken stock. Bring that up to a gentle simmer and cook that for about 10 minutes to infuse the flavors. Now we're going to lower the heat and stir in the coconut milk and gently simmer that for about 5 minutes. Do not boil. Add our sliced chicken directly to the soup. Simmer that for 5 to 7 minutes. Just until cooked through and tender. Then we're going to add our sliced mushrooms and red bell pepper if we're using it, and simmer that for 3 to 4 minutes. Then we're going to stir in the fish sauce and the brown sugar. Now we're going to add in our lime juice very gradually, tasting as we go. The balance should be creamy, savory, lightly sweet, and tangy. Then we're going to remove our lemongrass and the galangal slices. And we're going to serve that up in a bowl and garnish that with some cilantro and green onions. Serve hot. So there it is, Thai coconut chicken soup. Chicken thighs stay juicier, but breasts work well if sliced thinly. Always add the lime juice at the end to keep the flavors bright. Soup should never boil once the coconut milk is added. It may split. Authentic coconut chicken soup, not overpowering, lightly sour. Can store that in the fridge for 3 to 4 days in an airtight container. It's not recommended to freeze because the coconut milk can separate. To reheat gently on the stovetop over low heat. Again, do not boil. Serve this with a side of jasmine rice, a Thai cucumber salad, or crispy spring rolls. So there you have it, Thai coconut chicken soup. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos here that you can click on to watch. And don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.